We're live. Okay, time for lesson 6-6. I can graph linear systems of inequalities. That's what we're going to do today. All right. So let's move on. Okay, inequality, we already know what these are. Not equal to, yes, opposite of an equation, and we have a system. So that means we're going to have multiple ones. Yay! All right, next. Okay, I got to move this somewhere. How about there? Right there. Are these solutions here? So now I have a system, right? So I probably don't have to say too much on this. What do I do to figure this out? Plug it in, and it has to work where? In both. So first one, I'll show you what people do right away. Here's what they're going to do. You see what they do? They have it backwards, right? That's my eraser. There we go. Okay, so is 0 less than 6 plus 2? Yes, right? Is 0 greater than 6? No, right? Yes, no. So is this a solution to the system? No. Okay, next one. All right, is 2, 3 a solution? Okay, there's the bell. Time to go. No, 3, is it less than 2 plus 2? Yes. Is 3 greater than 2? Woohoo! All right, so this is a solution to the system. All right, and so now, questions about that? Good, see no hands. Now we're going to solve this by graphing. So graph the system y is less than x plus 2, y is greater than or equal to negative x. So basically, if you understood 6-5, you're graphing together, but we're going to have some purpling going on, okay? So I'll start with red. Y is less than x plus 2. So I'm going to put a dot at 2, rise 1, run 1, and I'll just do that. And then I'm going to go this way, and I'm going to create my boundary line, which is a dotted line. Really pretty. And it looks like I'm shading which way? I believe below. And quick check of 0, 0. Is 0 less than 0 plus 2? Yes, so I shaded the right way. Now y is greater than or equal to negative x. So I'm going to graph my boundary line. That'll be blue. At 0, 0. I should have probably waited to do my shading, maybe. But I put a dot here at 0, 0, and then I'm going to do what? Right? Down 1, left 1, yes. Or up 1, left 1. And that will be a solid line. Okay, now which side does it appear? Oh, don't mind me. Which side does it appear to be the greater than, right? Above. And a quick check, can I use 0, 0 as my quick check? No, but I can use 10, 0. I'll use 10, 0. Okay, is 0 greater than or equal to negative 10? That's what we're saying. Yes, it is. So I'm going to shade that way. Let me find the highlighter. Blue. And okay, so where's my solution area at? Not hard to figure out. Yep, where there's purpling. So this is my solution area. Now how do you show that? You just shade it in darker than the other stuff. So you can have it kind of going like up and down and then just shade this part in clearly. All right. Now, I already told you 10, 0 works in the bottom equation, so let's just use that as our check for this one. All right, 10, 0. So is 0 less than 10 plus 2? Yes, it works in the top one. So my checkpoint works. Doesn't mean you got it right, because you could have graphed one of those wrong, but that is the right area. So that would be the correct graph. Questions about that? Yes, Mr. Slusher. Why did I do what? Right. Yeah, I used 10, 0 as my checkpoint. Okay. So we can do one more if we need be. You want to do another one? Okay. Next one, I'm going to put a dot at -1 and rise 1, run 1. Yes. So slope of 1. And now I'm going to do dot, 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 dot. All right. And it looks like I'm shading, go with the blue, above. It appears that this is where I'm going to shade. This is what you can do too, just like this. Okay. That'll show that. Again, quick check is 0, 0. 0 is greater than -1. So, yep, I shaded the right way. All right, then you got y is less than -2x. So my y-intercept, again, is at 0, 0. So I can't use that as a check for this one. And now I'm going to do what? Down 2 and which way? Which way? Not over. We got to eliminate over from our vocabulary. All right, down 2, right 1, or up 2, left 1. And I'm going to do dot, dot, dot. Okay, and the shading there looks like the below side. It appears that it would be over here. So I'm going to just test like, I don't know, -4, 0 is my test point. -4, 0. So is 0 less than -2 times -2? 0 is less than 4, yes? No, it's 4. -2, or what was my test point? -4. Yeah, okay, -2. I use, like I said, -2, 0 is my test point. Yeah, cough, cough. Yeah, I'll use -2, 0 as my test point. How's that? Doesn't matter. And then, that is true, though. So I shade, because it's -2 times, yeah. My test point was right here. There's my new test point right there. But basically it works. So I'm going to shade. I need some red here, I guess, right? Whoop. And so my solution area is, I like the purple, right there. That's not purple, is it? No. How about this? Oh, that's a mess. Don't make yours look this bad. Okay, there's my solution area. Anything in this area is my solution area. Okay, don't do that. All right, last one. This is one, the easiest, hardest thing. We did something very similar to it yesterday. Okay, x is less than 2, so that's what type of line? Vertical. Vertical. So I'm going to now draw a dotted line. And it's going to be shading to the left. Maybe I'll just do it like this. How's that? Then I'm going to do y is greater than or equal to -1. So that is a solid line. And it's above. So I'm going to shade with the blue. And I'm not going to worry about purple right now. It's just confusing. There we go. And so obviously my solution area sits right in here. So any point in here, like the ordered pair, -4, 0, I'll pick this time. All right, 0 is less than 2, and -4 is greater than, ooh, uh-oh. Is -4 greater than, oh, I did that wrong. No, I'm sorry. I checked that wrong. Remember, when you get it wrong, Either you checked it wrong or you did it wrong. So negative 4 is less than 2. Check. And then is 0 greater than or equal to negative 1? Check. So that's the right area. Questions about that? Okay, I'm going to wrap this up then with Learning with Mr. Neff. Thank you. Bye-bye.